Out here in the fucking rain. Hooked into something big.
Fight, see what it is.
Oh, I can't wait. Felt pretty big, man. It was fooling the shit out of me. We didn't even notice it. Sitting in the truck because it's pouring down rain. Might not be as big as I thought it was, but it's still pretty good for being out here in this rain.
I see him.
Ooh, I saw the splash.
He's trying to put you in the tree. He's trying to take you right in the tree. That's what he's trying to do. Oh my God!
Coming up. Whoa, good size. Good size for back here. Oh yeah. I hope you're getting that. You getting that down there? Look at that.
MJ, hold his phone. Get over here. Hold.
Woo! Yeah.
That's a nice one right there. Look at that.
That's a bull, isn't it?
That's a baby right there.
Watch out. Grab that heavy leader. Grab the heavy leader and pull it up. Yeah. Little backyard. Backwater. Little rainbow. Hey, back over here. Back over here on me. Tails up, y'all. In the rain, we still slaying them.
In the rain.
All right, hold up. There you go, just bring it back a little. All right, cool. I bet that's the one that just got you and took off on you. Hey, oh, shine the light, what is this? Hey, he's got babies, get them in the water.
No.
No, that's not babies. Nope, that's a remora. Yeah.
What's a remora?
Yeah, throw that in the water. Grab whatever. Yeah, it's a sucker fish. Throw in the water. Hold on, wait. Still recording?
Yes, sir.
Alright. I'll get that pulled in.
Look at that.
That's a fatty. Little fatty on the jackhead. Alright, let's see where it's at.
Really? There she goes.
She alright.
It's about a 4.5, 5 footer right there.
Somebody looks for. That's a dinner. Nah.
What the hell? Oh, somebody's pole just fell.
There we go. Hook out.
Come get your fish.
You're sharp.
Oh, he's trying to get him.
Yep.
Alright. Let me go get my phone.
Still recording.
Alright. That's how we do, ladies and gentlemen.
Nice little
Alright,
bull.
girl, alright.
Trying to escape, get to the water.
Calm down. I know.
Out here.
Picture.
Can't even really see it. Look at that sky view, though.
The light's in the way.
I can't do nothing about it. I can't turn it off.
There you go.
I would have came over there and turned it off.
1, 2.
Nice. Nice backwater in the fucking rain bull. Yeah. Worth it sitting out here in the fucking rain now. All right, let's get a nice smooth release on her. I know. Calm down. Hey. There she goes. Fins up. Tails up. Woo!
Want me to end it?
What's got to say about that one?
That's how we do out here. That's what we do out here, little bulls.